Aiyanna's voice. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hello, I'm Aiyanna. Thank you for watching Aiyanna's voice. Today I'm teaching how to fly drones, and this is the drone I'm using called DJI Mavic Mini, and I draw it. Nice, huh? So the most important thing is the find an open space. Find a clear space to take off and land on. First, you gotta turn our drone on and get ready. Next is a controller. Bye. There are two ways to take off. One is manual and second is automatic. So we're gonna do a manual first.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
To take off, you push the fingers in.
Take off.
So to take off, you push here and you push, and then it'll automatically go. To manually land, you just push here, and then it will go down.
Landing.
To land, you just hold this.
Landing.
You can see everything from here. The good thing about DJI Drone, if it lose connection and low battery, it will automatically return home. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back like a butterfly.